For this problem, we're being asked to calculate the total volume of the inside of this trailer. So the best strategy here would be to calculate the total area of the floor of the trailer, this shape here, and then we would just multiply that by the height of the trailer, which we're told is 6.5 feet. Well, of course, the area of the rectangle base is super easy. That's just 10 times 6 to get 60. So the more complicated problem here is to figure out the area of this triangular prism here. Or sorry, just this triangle. So to find the area of that triangle, we need to find out that distance. We'll call that the base. And then we already know that distance is 6. And then we would multiply it by the height, that distance there, and divide by 2. The problem is we don't know that distance there yet. But we can use the Pythagorean theorem to help us. Because we have a right triangle here. We know the hypotenuse has a length of 4, and this leg is a distance of 3. I know it's 3 because it's half of 6. So let's quickly just calculate what that distance is going to be. Because it's a length of one of the legs, we're going to take the square root of our hypotenuse squared minus the other leg squared, and that becomes root 7. So what this means is that the area of that entire triangle is going to be 1/2 multiplied by our base of 6 multiplied by the height, which we just figured out to be 7. So we can think of this as the same thing as 3 root 7. Great, so that represents the area of the triangle. So to find the area of the entire base, we're going to take the area of that triangle, 3 root 7, and add the area of the rectangle, which is 60. After doing that, because that represents the area of the base, we just need to multiply that by the height of the entire trailer, 6.5, and that will get us our answer. So we get a total volume of the trailer of 442 feet cubed, and that is, of course, after rounding to the nearest whole number. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.